For the second chapter. So today we will discuss about transcendent function, and the example of transcendent function, one of them was logarithmic and exponential function. Can you read it?
Yeah.
Clearly?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start for the first transcendent function is logarithmic function. We go to the logarithmic function first, then we go to exponential function. For logarithmic shape, you have to remember the equation of the logarithmic. For example, y equal to a power. Power means pangkat in Indonesia. Y equal to a power x, that will be equal to x equal to log y. Just this a mark, you can still write it, or you can simply remove it. Usually, for the simple mathematics, notation, usually like this. For this case, I can also write as a log y equal to x. In some case, you can put this a at this area, but in this book they put this a at the below area, like this. This is also same. Yeah? You can write at the upper side, left upper side, or you can also put at the bottom right side. Yeah. But please put in a small one. If you use at the bottom right side, please put small one. Different size with this y or anything. Yeah. So this is the basic of logarithmic function. The basic of logarithmic function we can also transform into exponential function as this a and this a is similar. Power 2c equal to b. Also this one we can also transfer into a power 2x equal to y. This is also same. If you put the a parameter at the upper side left, you can change to this exponential function. Also this one, yeah? This is also similar. A power 2 x equal to function. You must remember this transformation shape from a log b equal to c will be equal, this is logarithmic function, and this is exponential function. So if you remember the transformation from logarithmic function into exponential function or vice versa, you can easy to convert every shape of function in both logarithmic and exponential. So this is the basic shape of the logarithmic and exponential function. For example, 1000, we can also write equal to 10 over by 3. 10 over by 3. So, if we change 10 over by 3 is equal to 1000. 10 over by 3 was equal with 1000. We can also change this exponential. This is exponential like this. So if the power, it means that this is the exponential function. So we can simply change into this shape into the logarithmic function. We have 3 equal to log 10 log 1000 is okay. Yeah. If you use this shape, so you can change into the exponential function. So this will be similar. If you open your calculator, you can find the value of 10 log 1000 will be equal to 3. And then, do you have any question from the basic shape of the log function and exponential function?
Clear.
It's okay? Okay, we go to the next. Then after you understand about the shape, basic shape of the logarithmic function and exponential function, then now we move to the basic law of the logarithms. The first law: if you have log A multiplied by B inside the parenthesis, will be equal to log A plus log B. So if this is multiplied, the equation will be sum. So if you find log A multiplied by B will be equal to log A plus log B. This is the first law. For example, log 10, you can also change into two logarithmic function. You can also change that log 5 plus log 2, because 5 multiplied with 2 will be equal to log 10. And then usually if the basis number A, it's called a basis number. If the basis number equal to 10, usually you don't need to put you can simply say that log 1000 equal to 3. Yeah. You don't need to put 10. If the basis equal to 10. But if the basis not equal to 10, 2, 3 or something else, you have to put the basis at the upper left side. But if 10, you can put or simply remove it, because the basis of the logarithm was, the basis number was 10. Just like this. Log 10, you don't have to put 10 in this as a basis, because we already know that if you didn't put, it means that this must be 10. Log 10 was equal to 1. Log 10 was equal to 1. Why equal to 1?
Because the front is 10, so then log 10 is 1.
Yeah, you're right. Because this is, even you didn't mention this is 10. Why equal to 1? Because 10 powered by, I don't know, equal to 10. So power by what number? 1. 10 powered by 1 will be equal to 10. That's why log 10 was equal to 1. Yeah. So this is the basic function. Okay, then we go to the second law of the logarithmic. If you find the log inside the parenthesis, a per b will be equal to log a minus log b. So if this is divided, log a divided by b, if divided, it will become subtract. Log a subtract by log b, or minus log b. So for the first law, if you find multiply become addition. But for the second law, if you find a divided, a divided by b will become minus or subtract. For example, learn 5 divided by 2. You can simply change into learn 5 minus learn 2. Or if you bring your calculator, you can simply learn 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. Using this shape, you will also get the same value with learn 2.5. Learn 5 will be 1.6, learn 2 will be equal to 0.69. So if you subtract, will be 0.91. Will be equal using this shape or using the second shape. This is the second law of the logarithm. Then we go to the third law. If you find log a powered by n, log a powered by n, you can change this n notation into the left side of the logarithm. So this will become a multiplication. Log a powered by n will be n multiplied with log a. will be equal to this n will be become a constant multiply with log a. So if you find function like this, log a powered by n, you can change into n multiply with log a. For example, log 5 powered by 2, you can change 2 as a constant. So will be 2 multiplied by log 5. 2 multiplied by log 5 will be equal to 0.69 something and will be equal to 1.39. But if you use the first set, you can also get the same value. Log 5 powered by 2, it will be equal to log 25. Using your calculator, you will get the same value with this. This is the third law of logarithmic function. Do you have any question for the third 1, 2, or 3 law of the logarithmic?
I have interest. Logarithmic 25 can be divided into 5 times 5, right? And can it reverse change it into law 1?
Yeah.
Is it the same value?
For example, logarithmic 25, you change to
5 times 5.
5 times
5.
5. Yeah. So it will be log 5
Yes.
times like this.
Yes. 5.
Log 5. So if you find like this,
Yes.
remember the first law will be same or different?
Different.
Log inside parenthesis a multiplied by b. The log a. Do you have any other question? Wait a minute. The member of class is 5 or 6?
6.
6. Oh, who is not coming? Problem 1. Evaluate a log 3, 9, because the 3 was in small. It means that will be equal to 3 log 9. If 3 was marked in small, it means that similar with this one. Evaluate log 9, 3 log 9, and B 10 log 10, and C 16 log 8. We can using 1, 2, or 3 law to make the calculation become simple. For example, the A problem, log 9, 3 log 9, 3 log 9 So both side was full. Equal to, I don't know. Can you guess the value? 3 log 9 was equal to 2. Because if you change into exponential, remember that 3 will be this. And the question mark will be the power by equal to 9. So the answer 3 power by question equal to 9. So the answer is 3 power by 2 will be equal to 9. Or you can also change in using the first 2 or second law, 3 law. For example, 3 log log 9, you can change into
3 power by 2.
like this, similar. So it will become, the power law will become a constanta multiplied by 3 log 2 multiplied by 3 log 3 equal to 1. So it will be same. If you remember the basic law, you can simply get the question mark. But you can also change using the first, second or third law. It will be similar. But please change it into the easiest way. If you change into the more difficult way, please do not continue. So it will be causing a trouble. If you change into the easy way, you can continue. Okay, we go to the B question. Log 10. This is easier, right? Equal to
1.
1. You can use this 1. You don't have to wait it if the basis was 10. But if you write it, it's okay. So I think B is the easiest question. We go to the C. 16 log 8 equal to 16 powered by equation equal to 8. So I think it's difficult. The find the question mark. So you can change for the shape. Sixteen powered by question or powered by x equal to n. We don't know. But we can change 16 become 2 powered by 4. 2 by 2 for 8 and 16. And you can change 8 also become a exponential. It will become 2 powered by 3. So if you find 2 like this, so because the basic number was similar, you can easy to dismiss this basic. So it will become 4 multiplied by question or using x, it's okay, equal to 3. So the question will be 3 divided by 4, or x equal to 3 divided by 4. You can remove the basic number if the basic number was similar. If the basic number is not similar, you cannot. Yeah? For example, 2.3. Second problem has 3 questions. A was log 0.001 and B ln E and C 3 log 1 per 81. So, yeah. This is also logarithmic, but the y is mentioned by ln, which is different with log. Log, the basis number was 10, but the ln, the basis number was Euler constanta, and the Euler constanta will become 2.7 extra something. If you open your calculator, then press the A button, you will get the number of the E, or Euler constant. So if the basis number using the A or Euler constanta, so you can change not using log but using ln. This is called as ln. So in the problem 2 with the B, ln E, it means that this is A log A. So ln E will be equal to A log A. But usually we did not write A log A, but you see ln E. Yeah. Okay, we go to the first A. log 0.001. X equal to log 0.001. Or you can change 10 log 0.001 is equal to 10 powered by x was equal to 0.001. X. We don't know what is X. It means that this is will be set 10 powered by X equal to 0.001. Can you guess how many X?
Minus 3.
10 powered by X will be equal to 0.001. So X will be
Minus 3.
minus 3. So 10 minus 3 will be equal to, similar like this, right? Or similar like 1 per 1000. So X will be equal to minus 3. Then we go to the second for B. X ln E. Ln E equal to X. So we can simply change 1 per 3.4. So it is also similar like this, minus 4, because the basic number was similar. So you can, if you find like this, you cannot remove this one. You have used the help of the later I will tell you how to solve this equation like this. If you find the different basic number, you can use this help. But later, after this, I will tell you. Okay? If you find like this, please do not remove. It is, you cannot using this operation. Okay. Do you have any question for the problem 2? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
We go to the next problem. Problem 3. Problem 3. A log x equal to 3, and then 2 log x equal to 3, then 5 log x equal to minus 2. You have to find how much the value of x. log x equal to 3. So you can change, become 10 over by 1. Okay. Problem 4. The number of the logarithmic was big under 30, 40, 450. So please solve these two problems using 2, 3 or 5. So it means that you have to convert this number using first, second or third law. Using number 2, 3 or 5. For example, for log 30. Log 30 we can get from the multiplication from 2 multiplied by 15. Because this is still 15, but we can only use 2, 3 and 5. 2 is okay, but 15 is not yet finished. So we have to change 15 become 3 multiplied by 5. So you can get log inside of parentheses 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So will be become log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5. And then using your calculator, find the value of log 2, log 3 and log 5. And adding all of them. So this is using the first law. For the b, log 450. You can also change into log inside of parentheses 2 multiplied by 225. 2 was okay, it's okay. But 225 not yet finished. We have to convert become the others. So we can change to 2, 3, 225 get from 3 multiplied by 75. That's it. 2 and 3 is okay, but 75 not yet finished. So you have to change 75 become 3 multiplied by 25. This is okay, but 25 not yet finished. So change 25 become
5 times 5.
5 followed by 2.
2.
Yeah. So because there is 2, 3, so it will be similar. 2 multiplied by 3 power by 2 multiplied by 5 power by 2. So will become like this: log 2 plus log 3 power 2 plus log 5 power 2. And you can using the third law to change this power become a constant. So you can change, right, log 8 multiplied by 4 whole square with 5 divided by 89. And please change into term of log 2, log 3 and log 5. So you have to change all of these value number using 2, 3 and 5. First we have to convert the first shape. Log this one and this one will be a minus, and this is multiplied will be plus. So it will become log 8 plus log 4 whole square by 5 minus log 81. Log 8 you can change into 2 power by 3, and this one we can change into log 5 power by 1 per 4, and log 80 we can change into log 3 power by 4. And then you can, using the third law, if change this power become a constant time. So it will become 3 log 2 plus 1 over 4 log 5 minus 4 log 3. So this is the final answer. I think it's easy. Okay, then go to problem 6. I leave it for you. Please change this. Change the simple shape. Please change this one into the simple shape. Because this is similar, log 5, this is also log 5. So you can simply 2 minus 3 plus 2. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 plus 2 will be 1. So will be 1 log 5. Then this is keep same, 1 log 5 divided by 3 log 5. Because this is log 5 and this is also log 5, you can simply remove it. So the equation, the answer is 1 per 3. So you have to change all of them. You have to change into the basic shape or the smallest basic shape. Yeah. Okay, then problem 7. Problem 7. Solve the equation log x minus 1 plus log x plus 1 equal to log a plus 2. It means that you have find how many value of the x. So this is the function equation. Log x minus 1 plus log x plus 1 equal to 2 log x plus 2. Please find how many x from this equation. So this side will be log x squared minus 1. And then for the right side, 2 log x plus 2. You can also change 2 log x plus 2. These 2 constant. Also you can change like this one. So it will become x squared plus 2 multiplied by 2 for x plus 2 squared plus 4. So the basic equation will become like this. Log x squared minus 1 equal to log x squared plus 4x plus 4. And because then for exercise 16, there is 1 until 22 question. All the answer already provide. For example, question number 1, 10 log 100 equal to 4. And this is the answer. You have to write how to get the final answer is 4. So you can write the process how to get this answer. The answer already provided for you. You have to write the process. So because this will be 22 tasks, so I will give this for your homework. Please write how to the process how to get the answer. But there is one, two, three, four, five. Okay. So because you have 22, just choose the number which is indicate your last digit of your student identity number. For example, for Satu Hafiz, your last digit was 1. So please choose number 1 and number 11.
Okay.
Oh, it's 1, 11. It's 1. 11. 1 and 11. You. Then for Muhammad Fadel, your last digit was 2. Please choose number 2 and 12. Hakam, your number is 3. So number 3 and 13.
Only 2 questions.
Yes, only 2 questions. And come on, Nicholas, Dennis, number 4. So please choose number 4 and 14. Yeah, 14. Then Ahmad, 5. Your last digit was 5. Please only 5 and 15. Okay. And Kurnia, you. So please change. Choose 22 and 12 already taken by Mom. Become a multiplication. So you can simply find the x value. So the x value equal to log 27 divided by log 3. Log is 1 because this is multiplication. But if still power, in a power, you cannot change. You have to remove. X becomes a multiplication like this. So after x equal to log 27 divided by log 3, you can using your calculator, or you can change this value 27 into the simple shape. Then you can get 1.45 divided by 0.4 become equal to 3. Or you can change 3. 27, if you change to 3, how many? 3 power by 3 will be equal to 27. So log 3 power by 3 log 3. You can change this become 3 log 3 divided by log 3. So equal to 3. I think this is the simple or easiest way. You don't need your calculator. Okay. But for the problem 8, you cannot, because this is already the simple shape. Log 3 and log 2, you cannot do anything. Yes, you can use your calculator. But if you still can change into the easy way, please use this way. Okay. Let's go to the graphic of logarithmic function. In a Cartesian coordinate, you can use x coordinate and y coordinate. This is the Cartesian coordinate. You can plot and make a graph of your logarithmic function. For example, the logarithmic function was y equal to log x. So you can use many value of x. This is the x. For example, if x equal to 0, log 0 will be very small. And x equal to 0.9, 0.2, 0.1, 1, 2, 3. So the result you can plot as a dot, and you can connect each dot with the continuous line. So this will become the graphic of logarithmic function. The function was y equal to log. Oh, sorry, this is log. This is log e. It means that log x. Y equal to log x, and this is the value of x. So you will get the shape of the function of y equal to log x like in the picture. Okay, I think this is similar to the previous. Okay. Then we now go to the second function of transcendent function is exponential function. Exponential function was indicate not using log anymore, but using, for example, 2 power 5 equal to x, or 2 power equal to 10, 5, 8. So this is the exponential shape. If there is using log, so there is a logarithmic function. In exponential function, to solve the exponential function, you can also using the logarithmic or logarithmic law. You have 3 logarithmic law: plus, minus, and power becomes multiplication. You have 3 law of logarithm. So also you will use to solve the equation in the exponential function. Okay, I think this is the basic shape. I believe that you already know and understand what is shape. A power by 1. Euler number was equal to 2.71828 and something. If you have 14 digit calculator, your calculator will be mention all the rest of the digit. So to solve each problem for A, 3.A power by 0.18. I think there is no difficulty because using
Calculator.
3 multiplied by A power by 0.18. So how to get the A power 0.18? You can use your calculator, then the answer you can multiply. I think this is easy one. Yeah, I think it's, you can skip this chapter. Okay, we go to the power series of A power by 8. The power series means that the function of ex will be transformed into the series of number. The series was indicated by the plus mark. It means that series will be many plus mark. For example, A forward by x, this is called as a power series, will be become 1 plus x squared divided by 2 factorial. This is the symbol of factorial, plus x power by 3 divided by 3 factorial, plus x power by 4 divided by 4 factorial, and so on. So this is the basic of the power series. For 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and 4 factorial, you can simply 2 factorial was equal to 1
times 2.
Multiply by 2. 3 factorial was equal to 1
Multiply by 2, multiply by 3.
times 3. And so on. So for the power series, because the variable was in x, so all of the x will be inserted by any value. For example, if a was powered by 1, it means that x equal to 1. So please change all of the x with 1. Like this one, same. This is x, so change into 1. This is x squared. This is change from 1 powered by 2. This is also. So all the x change with the number of the power series. Then the result will be like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 per 2, half, 1 per 6, this was equal to 0.166 and something else, until this one. So the E was equal to 2.71828 and something else. And this is called as the Euler number or Euler power series with x equal to 1. And then the same way you can use for the e power by 0.005. So the x will be equal to 0.05 in the power series. So this is the result. I think it's easy for you. You just insert the x value into the power series function. This is the basic power series function. This is the power basic. Then also, if there is a constant a times e power by kx, so the power of the e was k and x. So you can also change the x with kx. But the shape was similar with the basic power series function. For example, 5 times e power by 2x. So all the x changed to 2x. And don't forget to multiply with 5. For all of the series, multiply with 5. But because series was unlimited, so the symbol 3 dot indicates that the series was in a very long shape. So sometimes you can put 5 series or 4 series, 1, 2, 3, 4, or at 1. Okay. Then don't forget to put the 3 dot to indicate this is the long series. Oh, okay. I think the time is